Chapter 9. Contributions of Indians to the World. Mathematics. India's rich heritage is marked by ancient scientific knowledge that has profoundly shaped the world. From breakthroughs in astronomy and mathematics to advancements in medicine and metallurgy, ancient Indian scientists made remarkable discoveries and developed innovative theories. Their wisdom and insights continue to inspire and influence our understanding of the world. Aryabhatta, 470 to 6 to 550 CE. Aryabhatta was a pioneering mathematician and astronomer. His work, the Aryabhatiya, introduced the concept of zero, decimal notation, and place value. He accurately calculated the value of pi and discussed the approximation of square roots. Aryabhatta also made significant contributions to trigonometry and algebra. Thus, Aryabhatta is often hailed as the father of Indian mathematics. Aryabhatta's astronomical calculations included accurate predictions of planetary positions, eclipses, and the Earth's rotation. Bhaskar II, 1114 to 1185 CE. Bhaskar II, a brilliant mathematician and astronomer, made significant advancements with his major work, Siddhant Shiromani. He introduced early concepts of accurately calculated trigonometric functions and proposed new theories on celestial movement. His contributions laid a strong foundation for future mathematical progress. Brahmagupta, 598 to 668 CE. Brahmagupta, an influential mathematician, transformed the field with his treatise, Brahmasfuta Siddhanta is a foundational text in Indian mathematics. He refined the concept of zero as a numerical entity and developed rules for arithmetic operations involving zero and negative numbers. He solved quadratic equations, setting the stage for further developments in algebra. Brahmagupta also made early contributions to quadratic equations and the concept of Brahmagupta's identity. Science. Sushruta, circa 600 BCE. Sushruta, known as the father of surgery, made significant contributions to medicine and surgery with his work, Sushruta Sanghita. This text included detailed descriptions of surgical techniques, such as plastic and ophthalmic surgeries, and emphasized the use of anesthesia and advanced surgical instruments. He also provided comprehensive knowledge on herbal medicines. Charka, circa 300 BCE. Charka was a seminal figure in Ayurveda, the traditional Indian system of medicine. He is revered as the father of medicine, authored the Charka Sanghita, a foundational text in Ayurveda. He outlined principles of medical diagnosis, treatment, and health maintenance, emphasizing the balance of bodily elements. It encompassed a wide range of medical knowledge, including anatomy, physiology, and disease management, and underscored the importance of preventive medicine and holistic approaches. Kanad, circa 6th century BCE. Kanad formulated the atomic theory known as Vaisheshika, proposing that matter consists of indivisible particles called anu or atoms. His theory was remarkably advanced and anticipated concepts later confirmed by modern atomic physics. Nagarjuna, circa 2nd century CE. Nagarjuna, a distinguished philosopher and alchemist, made key contributions to chemistry. His work explored metal transformation, purification techniques, and medicinal compound extraction, establishing the groundwork for chemical processes in ancient India. Economy and philosophy. Chanakya, circa 350 to 275 BCE. Chanakya, also known as Kautilya or Vishnugupta, was a renowned economist, political strategist, and philosopher. His treatise, Arthashastra, delved into governance, statecraft, economic policy, and military strategy. The text also provides extensive insights into trade, taxation, and economic principles. Chanakya's deep understanding of political science and administration continues to influence and inspire leaders today. Patanjali, circa 2nd century BCE. Patanjali compiled the Yoga Sutras, a seminal text on yoga philosophy and practice. His systematic approach to the 8 limbs of yoga and his guidelines for mental and spiritual development have had a profound impact on the global understanding and practice of yoga. Astronomy and astrology. Varahamihira, circa 520 to 529 CE. Varahamihira was a prominent astronomer and astrologer whose works, including Brihad Samhita and Panke Siddhantika, covered a broad range of subjects from astronomy and mathematics to astrology. His accurate astronomical calculations and predictive techniques significantly shaped the study of celestial phenomena. Philosophy. Adi Shankaracharya, 788 to 820 CE. Adi Shankaracharya was a profound philosopher who consolidated the doctrine of Advaita Vedanta, emphasizing the non-dual nature of reality. His teachings and commentaries on ancient texts like the Upanishads and the Bhagavad Gita have had a lasting impact on Indian philosophy. Language and literature. Panini, circa 4th-3rd century BCE. Panini was an ancient Sanskrit grammarian who authored the Ashtadhyayi, a comprehensive work on Sanskrit grammar. His systematic approach to language and phonetics laid the foundation for classical linguistic analysis. Kalidasa, circa 4th-5th century CE. Kalidasa is celebrated as one of the greatest poets and dramatists in Sanskrit literature. His works, including Shakuntala and Kumar Sambhava, are renowned for their poetic beauty and dramatic storytelling, reflecting the richness of ancient Indian culture. The contributions of these ancient Indian scholars and thinkers span a wide array of fields, including mathematics, science, medicine, economy, philosophy, and literature. Their innovations and ideas not only shaped the intellectual landscape of ancient India but also had a profound impact on the global knowledge and cultural heritage. Their legacy continues to influence various domains of human endeavor to this day.